This is the stock market today for Wednesday. Quick look here at the pre-market. We are about flat across the board. S&P 500 futures here up by 0.06%. The Dow is up by 0.02%. The NASDAQ is up by 0.06%. And the IWM, the ETF that tracks the small cap market, is unchanged here this morning. So we are about flat across the board. Now, last session here, overall, the market saw a positive performance on Tuesday with a majority of the sectors ending the day in the green, signaling broad-based investor confidence. The industrial sectors was the standout performer, surging by over 1.03%. This was followed closely by the financial sector, which posted a solid gain of about 0.75%. Other sectors contributing to the positive market sentiment included healthcare, IT, consumer discretionary materials, and utilities. However, not all sectors participated in the day's gain. The consumer staples sector was the biggest laggard, declining by just under 0.5%. Other sectors that ended in negative territory were real estate, communication services, and energy. Now, on the economic front, while the durable goods order in July fell by 9.3%, the decline was smaller than the 10.4% drop that had been forecasted. This follows a significant 16.5% increase in orders back in June. Consumer confidence in August dipped ever so slightly as more consumers expect annual inflation to rebound. And then also, investors are going to await Nvidia. They are going to report their earnings today. Should be the biggest event of the week. It's scheduled to be released after the closing bell, about 4:20 Eastern here today. The $4 billion tech giant's earnings will serve as a barometer for market strength and the verdict of AI spending. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook will be filing a lawsuit to prevent her firing by President Trump, according to her lawyer. Also worth noting that the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.26% and the 2-year bond was at 3.65%. For a deeper dive on any of these stories or more market insights, head on over to benzinga.com.